Hello everyone, in this video we will present a new tank pad that stands out from any other presented in the market. ONEDESIGN R&D engineered a new material that's soft to the touch with a high definition in the design. The material is copyrighted worldwide by ONEDESIGN. The soft pad has been used by various OEMs and is now available at your local dealership. While the new soft technology is a unique piece for your bike, it's important to know that it is less flexible than a standard resin tank pad, and as such, should be applied to tanks with flat surface and avoiding steep angles. Equally important, for a correct installation, read the instructions in the back of the package. Now we will proceed to an application that is the same for the new product and the old resin product. To start, an important step during the application is to make sure the surface temperature is around 68 degrees Fahrenheit. We recommend to use a classic hair blower that could be found at home. At this stage, we will use the hair blower to soften the sticker and warm the tank surface where we are going to apply the tank pad. Once you preheated the sticker and the tank, remove the back layer of the decal and put it on the middle of the tank. First, push from the top to the bottom of the tank pad to adhere. Now, we rub our fingers across the entire surface to release any air bubbles and rub along the edges for maximum adhesion. Also, this helps avoid infiltration of water while washing or rain. The process is completed. This is another innovative piece made by ONEDESIGN.